Have you ever wondered what life thrives beneath the scorching sun and endless sand dunes of the Sahara Desert? There's an entire world waiting to be explored in the heart of one of the planet's most inhospitable regions. The Sahara, spanning a vast 11 countries, is not just the world's largest desert, but it's a place of extraordinary contrasts. It is a land where temperatures can skyrocket during the day, only to plummet when night falls, creating an environment that is as challenging as it is captivating. Geographically, this immense desert stretches from the Atlantic Ocean to the Red Sea, covering a staggering 9 million square kilometers. Its landscapes vary from endless seas of sand dunes to gravel plains and rocky plateaus. But don't let its harsh exterior fool you. Contrary to popular belief, this seemingly barren desert is teeming with life. Despite the harsh conditions, a variety of plants have adapted to survive and even thrive here. The Sahara Desert, known for its extreme temperatures and scarcity of water, is home to a remarkable range of flora that have evolved unique ways to flourish in this challenging environment. Take, for instance, the date palm. This hardy tree has developed deep roots that stretch far into the ground to reach the water beneath the surface. Its leaves are thick and waxy, helping it to retain water and protect it from the scorching sun. The date palm does more than just survive. It provides sweet, nutritious fruit and shade, vital resources in this harsh landscape. Then there's the desert thyme, a low-growing shrub that thrives in the Sahara's rocky terrain. Its leaves are coated with a layer of hairs, creating a shield against the sun's relentless rays. This plant is a master at preserving water, and its aromatic leaves are a favorite among desert-dwelling animals. The acacia tree, another Sahara native, stands tall with its umbrella-shaped canopy providing much-needed shade. Its deep root system allows it to tap into groundwater, ensuring survival even during prolonged droughts. The acacia's thorny branches also offer refuge for small animals seeking protection from predators. In the midst of the Sahara's harsh conditions, these plants have not only adapted but also turned adversity into advantage. They play a vital role in the desert ecosystem, providing food, shelter, and even a livelihood for the local people. These plants not only survive but provide sustenance and shelter to a variety of animals that call the Sahara home. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, the Sahara is home to a surprisingly diverse range of wildlife. Let's delve into the fascinating world of Sahara's resilient fauna. The fennec fox, for instance, with its oversized ears and sandy coat, is an iconic sight in the desert. These ears, while making them look endearingly cartoonish, serve a crucial function. They're nature's air conditioner, dissipating heat and keeping the fox cool during the scorching desert days. The fennec fox is also a nocturnal creature, which means it's active at night when temperatures are much cooler. Then, we have the dromedary camel, often referred to as the ship of the desert. This creature is the epitome of adaptation. With only one hump, which contrary to popular belief, stores fat and not water, the dromedary camel can survive without water for up to 2 weeks. It can drink up to 40 gallons of water at once, and its elongated legs help to keep its body away from the hot desert sand. Let's not forget the deathstalker scorpion. This little creature, with its lethal venom, is one of the most dangerous scorpions in the world. But it's not just its venom that makes it a master of survival. The deathstalker scorpion is a burrower, digging deep into the desert sand to escape the harsh daytime heat and emerging at night to hunt. These are just a few examples of the diverse and resilient fauna that call the Sahara home. Each creature has evolved and adapted in its own unique way to survive in this harsh environment. They've developed specialized behaviors, physical characteristics, and survival strategies that allow them to thrive where many other species would struggle. The Sahara, despite its harsh and unforgiving nature, teems with life. It's a testament to the adaptability and resilience of nature, to the sheer will of life to persist even in the most challenging conditions. These animals have developed unique ways to survive in one of the harshest climates on Earth. Beyond what meets the eye, the Sahara is home to a multitude of microorganisms that play a crucial role in its ecosystem. These invisible inhabitants, often dismissed due to their microscopic size, are in fact the unsung heroes of the Sahara's life cycle. Let's take a closer look. Within the soil of the Sahara, there exists a bustling world of bacteria and fungi. These microorganisms engage in a complex dance of decomposition, breaking down organic matter into simpler forms. By doing so, they contribute to the nutrient cycle, enriching the soil with vital elements such as nitrogen and phosphorus. These nutrients, in turn, provide the sustenance needed by the Sahara's hardy flora. The plants, drawing nourishment from the enriched soil, serve as a source of food and shelter for the resilient fauna of the desert. Thus, the microorganisms, though unseen, form an integral link in the chain of life in the Sahara. In addition, certain microorganisms called cyanobacteria form a protective crust over the desert soil. This crust prevents soil erosion, conserves water, and even aids in the germination of plant seeds. The cyanobacteria, through their photosynthetic activities, also contribute to the oxygen content of the desert air. Despite their minuscule size, these microorganisms form the backbone of the Sahara's ecosystem. They remind us that every life form, no matter how small, has a significant role to play in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. The Sahara is much more than just a vast, hot and sandy desert. This expansive terrain, often shrouded in mystery and misconceptions, is teeming with life, resilience, and a beauty that defies the odds. Let's take a moment to recap the marvels we've uncovered about the Sahara's hidden world of flora, fauna, and microorganisms. From the hardy desert flora like the resilient acacia trees and the vibrant Tuareg tea plant, to the incredible fauna such as the tenacious dromedary camel and the elusive fennec fox, the Sahara is a testament to life's enduring spirit. Even in its microscopic life forms, we find a wealth of diversity. Microscopic organisms, often overlooked, play a crucial role in maintaining the desert's ecosystem, proving that even the smallest life forms can have the biggest impacts. Indeed, the Sahara's unseen world is as fascinating and diverse as any tropical rainforest or coral reef, reminding us that life finds a way, even in the most inhospitable places.